We keep the hottest for the last.
Please don't leave me now.
What's up everyone and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Slim B and I'm a member of Kobo Power and I'm from Belgium. I'm a dancehall dancer focusing on freestyle and consequentially as well battles. This weekend it's the 28th and 29th of January 2023 and I'm in Torino, Italy for the event Torino Dancehall Movement. It's actually a 2-day event because they're teaming up with Queens on Top, which is taking place today, and tomorrow is the Torino Dancehall Movement battles as well with workshops. In the morning or at noon actually, at 12 I will take the workshop of Chin from Flame Team, and then around 4:30 the battles will start. I will be participating in the 1 versus 1. There is as well a 1 versus 1 for beginners and a 1 versus 1 for female. This is actually my 4th time participating in this event. First time was in 2019, January 2019. Yes, then my second time is in 2020. In 2021 there was no edition because of the pandemic, but in 2022 they were able to do it again in April, and now it's 2023 and here I am with the 4th time, or for me the 4th time in Torino, and also for this event. I think the event itself is the 7th edition or 9th edition, one of the two. I will also quickly put the flyer here as well, but yeah, it's either their 7th or their 9th edition. It's now already evening. It's now a little bit past 8 p.m. Arrived an hour 15 earlier. I will be unpacking my bag and then I will quickly hit the supermarket, which is right around the corner literally, and get some stuff for my dinner now and also for my breakfast tomorrow, and probably also for actually the whole time that I'm here. I will try to already buy all the stuff, all the food that I need. A cool thing is then in this hotel, and this is actually the first time that I think that I have it in the room, is that we have a water bottle, an empty one that we can refill in the hallway. So they have a water dispenser, so you don't necessarily have to take water from the tap here, but in Italy it's perfectly fine to drink from the tap. I've done it before, never had issues, but it's the first time actually this concept that you can just take your water bottle that they provide for you in the room and go outside in the hallway to fill it up with water. Super nice actually. Let's have a look at what I bought in the supermarket. I tried to actually kind of buy the same as what I bought in Poland. So I have bananas, grab in the bag. I had cookies, like oatmeal cookies, which I also had last time. Oreos are back, but this time there was no small pack, so this is, instead of 4, we'll be dealing with a pack of 11. What a number. Anyway, this is something that actually I was not thinking about last time I was in Italy, I think, but this is always great as well. Tarali, probably not how you pronounce it, but anyway, great. They also sometimes have it in different flavors. This is natural, I think. Corn cakes, something like that. Like it's the same as rice cakes, but with corn instead. Yes, because the place that I have, or the hotel, the room has a fridge, so I could also buy some vegan yogurt, vanilla flavored, bread, yes, for them carbs, and then hummus to put on the bread actually. And again, because I have a fridge, I can put it in the fridge afterwards so it doesn't go bad. Yeah, and that's it. That's my haul from the supermarket. Now it's a little bit past 9. I just ate some of the bread, some of the hummus as well. Also tried some of the tagliatelle or tarali, damn it, tarali. So yeah, the flavor is as I remember it from previous times. So good job on the people who made it. So yeah, now it's time to wind down and I'll probably go to bed around 10, 10:15, and yeah, that I'm fresh and ready and totally rested for tomorrow.
Good morning. Not a lot of activity at this point in the morning. It's close to 7 a.m. Yes, normally I wake up at around 6:30, 7:30 in the weekend. Kind of normal that I wake up now at the same time. I didn't put my alarm clock. I put my alarm clock at 9 a.m. just to be safe. The weather outside is nice, clear skies. Time for me to head out for the workshop. Chin, flame team, got my stuff, got my clothes, got my bag. What's in there is basically my dancing shoes. Some clothes if I need to change, but probably not needed because I will come straight back to the hotel. Let's go.
So I got back from the workshop of Chin. We did 5 steps, or we learned 5 steps. 2 of them I've seen before in workshops by Ali from Flame Team, and 3 of them, of the 5, were new. So it's good to repeat moves that I've already seen, but of course it's also nice to learn some new ones. So yeah, these will be on my list to practice when I get home. And I also just finished lunch, and now it's feeling a bit, taking a nap, and then slowly getting ready to go back to the venue and yeah, participate in the battles. Just got ready with preparing my outfit, filling my bag with all the stuff that I need, and now it's ready to head out to the event. It's like 4:20, so in 20 minutes I will be there. They're probably still busy with the choreo contest at that point, but then I can see a little bit of what's happening there, and then it's one straight line to the battles. Let's go.
We keep the hottest for the last. In questa categoria ci saranno come giudici.
Can't hold me down no more. They got me down for a long time. Lord, please don't leave me now. One for this, one for this. So the food I'm gone for it. My 21 Psalms on this. My born for it. Blessing, to blessing.
Original blue ear, no imitation. Physical body, qualifying temptation. Hey, don't know the done now, don't know the done now, don't know the done now, the done now.
Bring the summer in December, liedje gang member. Dark skin, die bitches nog om mijn hands up. Zie me daar met ditje of met chin of met spanken. Jij weet dat die vissa's begonnen bij wie enter. Zit die in die buurt, is het avontuur met gember. Vind me in de buurt, voor die brillen daar bij fancy. Ik heb alleen maar vuur, ja dit is je summer anthem. Jody lijkt me moves, maar ze weet ik ben geen dancer.
So it's the day after the event. It's Monday 30th. In about an hour I have to check out, but I want to give a recap of what happened yesterday at the battle. So there were 24 people in the battles, in the 1v1 pro. There was also the 1v1 beginners. I have no numbers on that, but for the pro it was 24 people, and that did a pre-selection of around 45 seconds each. Then the top 8 were selected. I was one of the top 8. So then we had the battles. My quarterfinals was against Vikki from Mad Spirit, that I won. And the second one was against Dizzy from France. Unfortunately, that one I lost. So I made it till the semifinals. Dizzy went on to the finals and eventually also won the event 1v1 pro. There were some general souls who recorded some of my rounds, so that gives you the opportunity to also watch them now. Overall, a much better feeling than what happened 2 weeks ago in Poland. Of course, not making it through the pre-selection top 16, but now making it through the pre-selection to get to the top 8. Of course, is good. Quarterfinals felt okay. Was not super, but felt okay. Semifinals was middle school. Not necessarily an easy song, but a good challenge to say the least. And yeah, Dizzy took that one like I already said. But yeah, middle school always something to keep working on. Although we're in the new school era, middle school is something that I will always keep working on together with old school and skanking and so on. So yeah, I also battled against Dizzy last year actually in the semifinals for Torino Dancehall Movement there, 8th edition. It was in April, yes, the end of April 2022. The judges of our battles were Damion, Vikki Dancerz from Jamaica, Chin, Flame Team, also from Jamaica. He's touring now here in Europe. Damion is based in Germany, so he's most of the time in Europe. And the third judge was Marthe Vangeel from Belgium, but living in the Netherlands. Next to the beginners and the pro, there was also the battle Who's That Gal, which is actually a 1v1 female. There were some really impressive rounds, especially the finals. Big up to Ina Hot for her 2 final rounds, because I'm gonna be honest, I'm not easily impressed, but that one got me. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, it was really good. So I recorded some rounds for you, and here you can see some of the highlights.
Every morning, every evening, I be screaming straight back to sunrise.
As you can see, the people who were not there missed out big time. As always, don't forget to hit like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you think that someone you know might be interested in watching this video as well, don't hesitate to send it to them. And I will see you in the next one. Kobo out.